right, we made it to Abilene,
Nice.
and we saw one truck blown over.
Yeah, it's very windy here.
And we're getting ready to be empty, and we got to go back. Good news is we'll have a tailwind.
In 1/2 mile, turn right on Texas 351.
This thing's saying to turn right here on Enterprise Ave. Oh, that was it right there. We missed it.
Oh, we're supposed to. Hopefully you can get there from here.
.20 mile an hour or 30 mile an hour winds, 50 mile an hour gusts. Isn't that what I saw?
Yep.
Turn right at the traffic light.
Bet you that truck caught it.
He caught a gust.
Yep, he sure did. 'Cause he
Hopefully
was
we do not.
laying on his side.
In 1/2 mile, arrive at 1849 State Highway 351 on the right.
My little pumpkin. Just laying there chilling.
Man, I am not looking forward to this white knuckle ride back. You know?
I know.
It says no trucks this entrance.
In 300 feet, arrive at 1849 State Highway 351 on the right.
Where? Right.
I do believe this is the way. Is there giant potholes under this water? That was easy. They just let us in.
Yeah.
Where you go?
Oh. Remember where this guy is? No, he's.
I guess we can park on the other side.
Oh, yeah. Sure, it's in here somewhere.
Because I bet we were going to wait.
You think? Since all the tours are taken?
That was the sign. All the doors are full.
Yeah. Good observation.
All right, we delivered, did we not?
Yes, we did.
And now we have what I've been not looking forward to.
The wind.
I was just going to sit here overnight and then go into Fort. We're in Abilene, Texas, by the way, at Coca-Cola. As you can probably see from the rear camera. And we've got to go to Fort Worth. But we don't have to be there until tomorrow. So I was just going to sit here till tomorrow, then drive in. But it doesn't look like the wind's going to get any better. Matter of fact, it might get a
Turn
little worse.
left on Texas 351.
Yeah, I don't know. It looked pretty bad.
I had this kind of wind one time when I was in the Freightliner, and I was in Oklahoma City. And I just parked it for 3 days, 2 days actually. Calmed down and we took off. Actually, I hung out with Blackbeard and his wife there. They were at the same place waiting for the wind to subside.
In 1/2 mile, turn left on East Stamford Street.
So we're just going to go slow and easy, right? Down 20. It only looks like it's really bad for the first, I don't know, 20 miles. So we just got blown right there.
Did we?
Yeah. To be lovely. Go ahead, buddy.
Turn left on East Stamford Street. Miles, take the exit on the left to I-20 East.
Who's it you saw on the truck stop?
Who, me?
Yeah, Young Chen.
Oh, Shen Young. The group that does the like Cirque du Soleil, but they're Shen Young. Beautiful performers, but they were all in the truck stop, and I was talking to them in the bathroom because there was like 20 of them in there.
Taking a potty break.
Yeah, the bus was there, and they were just they're having a show in Lubbock this week, and then they go to San Antonio, and then I forget what else she said, Dallas. I guess they're doing this area right now.
On the left.
I mean, I guess everybody knows about it, I would imagine. It's just a beautiful dancing. Beautiful, beautiful colors.
I didn't know about it.
Oh.
Remember, because I said you knew, and
Oh, yeah.
and I was like, well, I never heard of that.
Oh, yeah.
That's
Yeah,
not
they're
my-
always sold out, so.
Imagine that trailer park right now with all that wind. It'll blow your RV over.
Take the exit on the left.
We're getting blown
to
all over. I'm just trying to get on the highway.
Wow.
No, buddy, I'm in the lane. right up here on the left, you're going to see a truck that's blown over.
It's still there.
There was a crane there to pick them up.
Continue on I-20.
Yeah, it's right there. I guess they picked it up.
Yeah, I was gonna say, we've been a while.
Of course, all the high power CB guys are going off non-stop. There he is, right there.
Oh yeah, they got him up.
Those trucks blocking him.
Yeah. They got him up.
They uprighted him.
That's a shame. Look at all the stuff out of his truck.
There was some
They took it out.
strong storms this morning blew through here. So I'm guessing it happened this morning and they just got the crane there and picked them up.
Imagine.
So I plan on a white knuckle ride. We're just gonna cruise easy because I have precious cargo in the truck.
That's right.
The wife and Molly. She's already sleeping.
Is she?
Yeah. She's driving, she knows it's time to sit still already. Man, it's only been 4 or 5 days in the truck.
She's doing pretty good.
She's doing real well in the truck.
Yeah. Well, when they're young, that's when you gotta teach them. NFL mini warmers are on sale, $15.
The NFL season's almost over.
Yeah, that's probably why they're on sale for $15. So I'm just trying to find a picture so I can tell everybody. It's here
We
somewhere.
get a couple more miles down the road and we turn a little. I think right here we're just going to have a tailwind. Tomorrow it looks like it's going to be a south wind, so yeah, we don't want to deal with that. I'd rather deal with a tailwind. A gust to just push us along, all the better. We're outside of Fort Worth. We made it. Scary winds.
Yeah. Good gas mileage though.
Oh yeah.
1/4 mile.
We were
Keep
seeing
right
11.2
toward
at one
Weatherford
point.
College.
It's amazing. All that wind.
Well, we had a 25-mile-an-hour tailwind.
Keep right toward Weatherford College.
All right, let's shut you up because
You know where we're at.
we're right here.
Ooh. Smell that beef cooking. Smells delicious.
Now, we may have to do a lap. That stops right here. There's a long walk to the building.
Let's see what else we got.
It's only 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yeah, there's probably plenty of spots up there.
You can park right out front if you want to pay for reserved.
I'm sure there's plenty there.
Oh, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go down this road. Some of these truck stops are really aching on this. We're going to U-turn and come right back in there. We'll have a straight shot out. And the building's right there, so. Less. No such luck. So less. There's one. Oh. There's a drop trailer in there. How about right here? Next to him too. There's two of them. It looks like Pete's truck.
Blue one?
The red one in the mirror.
Oh. He wouldn't park all the way out here.
Nice and slow, right? Don't hit anything. That's gold. You guys got a lot of crap in this truck. See, it's piled.
No,
in
I
there.
didn't see it.
Look now.
I see it. Oh. Touchdown. Oh, jeez.
And we're in. Scary ride over.
Over.
Thank God.
Yeah.
And the bed's a mess. Don't worry about that. We were back there playing with the puppy.
Yeah.
And
Puppy playtime.
She heard the brakes go off, and now she's up.
Yeah, she knows. She knows it's puppy playtime again. Or food.
And we're close to the building. And all's good. So yeah, tomorrow we pick up in Fort Worth. We're about 20 miles away from our pickup. And that's going back to Florida, which should be interesting because it's going to a retail store.
Yeah.
And I already called them and said,
What's up?
yeah, WTF over.
Oh.
Where's the loading dock? Because there's no lift gate on this truck. And she says, yeah, the contractor's expecting you, so we'll see. She's going to give them the heads up.
Yeah.
So we'll see. We'll see. So we pick that up tomorrow. Nice. Hopefully we got a tailwind the whole way back to Florida.
That'd be nice.
Yeah. Right, TWP?
Yeah.
TWP and Molly. All right, we're out.